Back with another one, man. You already know what it is. Again. I'm about to come with another one, man. I'm about to do this little freestyle, just make some on top of the head. Lyrically, that's what I do, YouTube, y'all tune in to you, boy. This is my second video, So if I get with my boy Fred again, we can make more, and y'all can be tuning in more. But in the meantime, I'm going to give it to you live and direct like I always do. Check this out. Be hated on by the fellas, hated on by the girls. Gotta make it to the top and be on top of the world. I told you before that we get that money. Now let's go. Been hated on by the fellas, hated on by the girls. Gotta make it to the top and be on top of the world. I told you before that we get that money. Listen, now I'm in this quick jail. I can handle my own, and I go boom on the track like I'm an Afghan bomb. I never get the recognition I'm supposed to, but I stand my own tone like I'm supposed to. At the position of a man, I be me, times 3, loyalty, Isaiah, all thanks to the Messiah, man. My verse is on fire, man. I'm burning up. My credit I deserve it, bro. And tell you what it is, must I tell you how we go? And see me, I'm not a rapper. I could try to rap the show. I do it how I do it, and when I do it, I'ma do it big. Step up in the paint like I'm ballin', just like I'm Shaq. Mixtape back to kill the scene and kill my face. It's a whip like a man from my taking. If I never given nothing, I would give him respect. Could've been doing 20, but look at me, I'm blessing when I rap for it, clap for it too. Took a step in process for me to grow in the booth. Put your 2 hands up, look to the sky and say, you brought it through, but it wasn't nobody else. You brought me in this world, do it by myself. Fighting for my life, so this life I had to take it. You can hate me all you want, but I succeeded, I'ma make it. I've been running, just been jumping now, back around and shut it down. Tell you what it is, must I tell you how we go? And see me, I'm not a rapper, I just try to rap the show. I do it how I do it, and when I do it, I'ma do it big. Step up in there, paint that boy hard like I'm Shaq. Bringing the pain, standing strong, copy LeBron James. Cause when I step up in the building, I'll be bringing the pain. Yeah.